I choose wellness.
Wellness.
A new way to breathe.
Wellness.
Follow the wellness within.
When speed becomes my only rhythm, I need a new way to breathe. Follow the breath.
When speed becomes
Warmth
my
loosens
only
what worry
rhythm,
held tight.
I need a new
In this
way
pause,
to breathe.
my breath remembers
Follow the
me.
breath.
Silence is not empty, it's guidance. This cacao anchors my thoughts to the present.
Silence isn't empty. It's focus.
Held by earth, I float above yesterday. Weightless, I learn a softer strength.
Bliss, like exhaling yesterday.
Clarity arrives sip by sip.
Clarity in a cup. Balance in a breath.
Healing is a system, body, street, and sky. When breath returns, cities remember hope.
When speed becomes my only rhythm, I need a new way to breathe. Follow the breath. Body temp 38.
This map is not a place, it's a practice. Where will my breath linger next?
Subscribe, like this video, turn on notifications. Love ya!